Hi friends, I hope you all are doing the fine. In this video we will going to show the one game how we are going to be published in the our new play console. As you can see, we have been open in the RDB device, because RDB is like in a virtual Windows will be there. So usually when we are trying to log in our PC, and you can see the Google has been detecting all those things, so that's the reason. So that's why what we did, we are using the RDB. So it is completely like a from other country. We from other country the servers will be there. So in that we will going to open our Windows, and we will log into our play console, and we will going to install publish our app in that. So according to that, and if you people need any kind of a 20 tester service or mobiles anything, please contact us. This is a display number of ours. We have been updated our number, and as you can see, this is our console, and it has been open in the RDB. So usually when you're trying to search in the about the RDB also, you will going to find so many videos in the YouTube. So this is our game we will going to publish. As so you can see, this is our game, and we have been copied our logo and description and everything. So I think I does not added some logo thing. Actually that is the biggest part. So this is my Unity code, this is my PC actually. So I have been copied from my PC, and I'm pasting in the RDB PC. So don't get confused what is a RDB and this, and upcoming videos I will going to show what is a RDB and everything. So we got it our image also. As you can see, this is our car game. Actually it is has been developed in the Unity. So I think you see already we have been build our things. So that's the thing. I tried to open the image in other thing, but it is a RDB, so we can't even no need to be used for that. So this is our description. As you can see, we have been copy our description also. So let's come here and create a new app, and just we will copy our name of our app, and we'll paste it out here. So just click it as a free. As you can see the display, and you just follow with that. So from here I will mute my voice, and I will keep the song here. So just see it and finished off all those things. If you really require the 20 tester service, please contact us, because the same video we have been published in our other channel also, that is Reset Tech Developer channel is there. The link will be in the description. You can see in the link also is in the description. Please contact us. You can see in the Hindi also. In this Reset Infotech we will post in English, so you can able to see that. So if you have any doubts, please comment us, or you can WhatsApp to us. Okay, please watch and please subscribe to our channel. Okay.